Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take our exercise 9.2 where we will go mainly for the product of monomial to monomials. So coming to the question number 1, this is the simplest exercise. Find the product of the following pair of the monomials. So first one is, this is 4 and 7p. So product will be 4 into 7p. So this will be 28p. Coming for the second one, this is minus 4p comma 7p. So this will be minus 4p into 7p. हमेशा कोफिशिएंट और नंबर का प्रोडक्ट होगा. सो दिस विल बी माइनस 28, 4 इंटू 7 माइनस 28, p इंटू p. सो दिस विल बी p स्क्वायर. Coming for the third part of it, this is now minus 4p and 7p cube. So it will be minus 4p into 7p cube. Now 4 into 7. So this will be minus 28 and p into p. So this will be p square and q as it is. Similarly for the fourth part, this is 4p cube and minus 3p. So this will be 4p cube into minus 3p. So this will be now minus 12. Minus 3 into minus 3 into 4, minus 12, and p cube into p. So this will be p to power 4. Similarly, coming for the fifth part, this is 4p comma 0. So 4p into 0, any number to multiplied by 0 is always 0. So now coming to the question number 2. Find the area of the rectangles for the following length and breadth. We know area of rectangle, this is equals to length into breadth. So with this formula we will calculate areas and it will always be in the square units. So for the first part of it, this is PQ, P and Q. So area will be equals to P into Q. So this will be now PQ square, PQ we can write it as square units because this is area. So unit has to be there. So square units. Second one is 10m and 5n, 10m and 5n. So this will be now 10m into 5n area. So A equals to length into breadth. So this will be now 50 mn square units. Similarly for the third part, it is now 20x square 5y square. So 20x square and 5y square. So this will be now 100. Area will be equals to 20x square into 5y square. So this will be now 100 x square y square and square units. Similarly, coming for the fourth part of this, it is now 4x and 3x square, 4x and 3x square. So area will be 4x into 3x. So this will be now 3x square. So this will be now 12 and x cube square units. Similarly, coming for the fifth part, it is now 3mn and 4np. So area will be equals to now 3mn into 4np. So this will be now 12mn square p square units. So this way we will find out the areas. So this question number 3 tables, you can do it because it is simply the multiplication only for this. So now coming to the question number 4, we need to find out the volume of the rectangular box. So volume of rectangular box, this is length into width into height. So we need to multiply all the three dimensions. So for the first case, the length, breadth and height are given to us. This is 5a, 3a square and 7a to power 4. So volume will be equals to L into B into H. So this will be now 5a into 3a square into 7a to power 4. Now this is 105 and a to power, here 1 power, 2 power and 4 power. So all the powers will be added up. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, and this will be now cubic units, because this is the volume. आपको unit लिखना जरूरी है यहाँ पे. Now coming to the second part, dimensions are 2p, 4q and 8r. So volume is equals to now 2p into 4q into 8r. So this will be now 2 into 4 8, 8 into 8 64, and this will be p, q and r cubic units. Coming to the third part of it, so dimensions are xy, 2x square y and 2x y square. So volume will be equals to now, this will be xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So this is equals to now 2 to the 4 and x to power, here 1 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, and now y to power 1 1 2 and 2 4. So this is now cubic units. Now coming to the fourth part of this, dimensions are a, 2b and 3c. So volume is equals to now, this is a into 2b into 3c. So this will be now 6abc cubic units. So now coming to the question number 5th, obtain the product of. So we need to find out the products for the first case, xy, yz and zx. So the product, it will be now xy into yz into zx. So here it will be now x to power 1 and 2. So this is x square, and y to power y is 1 and 2, and similarly z is 2. So this is now product. Coming for the second part, this is now a into minus a square into a cube. So this will be now minus a, all the powers will be added up. So this is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So this is minus a to power 6. Coming for the third one, so this is now 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. So this will be equals to now, first of all we will multiply these coefficients. So this is 2 and 4, this is 8, then this is 64, 64 into 16, so 64 into 16. So this is 1024, and y to power, this is 1 plus 2 3 and 3 6. So this is 1024 y to power 6. Similarly coming for the fourth part, this is now a into 2b into 3c into 6a, b and c. So this will be now equals to, here 2 3 are 6 and 6 36, and a is 1 and 2. So this is a square, and b is 1 and 2, so b square, and c is 1 and 2, c square. So similarly for the fifth part, this is now m into minus mn into m and p. So this is now minus, so minus sign will come, m and m 3 times, so this will be m cube, n is 1 and 2 times n square, and p is single time, so this will be p. So this is minus m cube n square and p. So with this we have finished our exercise 9.2. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपकी कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. सो ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.